Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways. Yeah, 24-mile-per-hour winds again today. We just can't get a break for a good week of good weather here. It's a little chilly outside. It's 60 degrees, but the wind's making it feel colder than that because there's 46% humidity. That little wind chill is moving in there. Anyway, with that being said, or wait a minute, was that said? Did somebody say that? Just kidding. Let's move on down the road. Dogs have been fed. Dogs have had their treats. Hey Letty, that missing pup I told you about is back again. Where she is disappearing to, nobody knows. But she's back. That was Brandy that was missing. So there's Cinnamon and Limpy. And where's Brandy now? Oh, there's Brandy. No, that's Cinnamon. There's Brandy. All right. So anyway, weird disappearing dog tricks. You think I'd be a magician? I'm using my windproof mic right now because of the wind, and I can't show you how I put that together, but the next time the winds stop, I will be sure to show that so that those of you who are going to be shooting video out there can hey, get away from my feet, guys. Give me a chance. Let me walk. Boy. Who's going to get in trouble? Is it you? Is it you, Brandy? You going to get in trouble? And wherever she's going, she's picking up bad habits. I'm going to have to fix that. Anyway, let's move inside here and show you what I got done today. I've been working. Look over there. See the garden hose? You see the peg with the label on it? Okay, so I did 1, 2, 3 rows, 4 deep of tomatoes. I got those in, and I got them all soaked down. I soaked down the others too, even though I haven't planted anything in there yet. Now, I am going to add some basil into the pots right next to the tomatoes anyway, but I'm not doing that right now because it's still a little too early, and I'm not expecting those tomatoes to sprout out anytime soon. Look at how big my garlic is getting. Yay! It seems like I come out here and I just walk through and give it a quick watering, and they jump up 2 inches or so. Really strange. All right, so over here I got 4 rows going in this direction of radishes. Okay, radishes are very quick to germinate, so. And then over here I got 1, 2, 3, I think it is, 3 rows of lettuce. And over here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of green beans in here. Over here I put in some parsley because I got parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to one who lives there. And over here I put in 2 rows of sweet peas, or snow peas if you would like to call them that. And then over here I put in 2 rows of sweet peppers, bell peppers. So all those seeds are in the ground now, and I've updated my app on my phone for what I've planted and what day I got them in. So I don't know if any of you have used an app like that, but it's great for keeping track of what you got planted and when you planted it and what kind of progress you're getting for it and all of that. Now this little area right here, I just did a little while ago, and that's why it looks like it's a little bit dry. So I still have to water this down, but I'm not going to water it until tomorrow because, let me move around the corner here, because I had to put the hose through the fence here, or the wire, to get into there to do the watering I had to do. And I don't want to just pull that out just to water that little spot. When I come through tomorrow, because of the winds that we're having here, I will be watering everything one more time, give it a good soaking. So I'll water those one more time, then put the hose through and come over and give everything over here one more watering. Make sure that it gets wet down pretty good. So that's what I've been doing. And look at this. This is burgundy plum, and this was one extra branch scion that I had got from my neighbor, Deborah, and I didn't have any place to put it because I already did apricot and burgundy plum on this small tree, and you can see it's all sprouting right now. Everything is sprouting up big time, and this is a plum tree. So I just stuck that scion in the soil, and look at it. It's sprouting everywhere. Yay! And so is my grape divine. It's a grape divine. That grapevine over there, the Concord grape I got from Tony and Leanne, that's doing really well. That's really sprouting out. And this one, I wasn't seeing anything on it, and I was getting worried that there was probably going to be dying or something, but then I noticed it's got a little sprout right down here, right there, popping out. So it's got another one there, it's got another one there. So it may have still have some life in it. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah, there's another one right there. So it's got life in it. It's going to spring up. And this is a Simpson Purple Seedless. That one there is also Simpson Purple Seedless, and it's got a better sprout on it than that one over there. And then I've got these scions that I cut off of this green Simpson Seedless. That's right up here. And I stuck those in the ground, and they're looking like they're doing pretty good, so we'll see if those have taken. My graft over here to put Concord onto this, it's still flexible, so I'm going to let it sit and see if it takes. But I'm seeing little buds starting to pop out of this grapevine also. So things are going along just fine. I also have some other grapes stuck in here, and that one's got a bud on it and a bud on it there. So that may have rooted. And if it did, I can get that over to, what's their names? Ken and Deborah. Just messing with you, Ken and Deborah. I'm going to get that over to Ken and Deborah because they wanted to do a grapevine also. So it won't cost them anything that way. So I got my other ones over here that are stuck in, and they're budding. So things are looking good. And my pear tree is really starting to bud out. Look at that. It's really budding fast. Of course, the quince tree is a strong rootstock, and that's budding really fast. But this pear tree doesn't get many leaves, and it needs the leaves for the photosynthesis. So I leave this rootstock growing just so those leaves feed this other part of the tree. And I got a fresh graft down here, so I'm not sure what that apple is. It comes off of one of my rootstocks that I forgot to mark, so I'll know as it starts producing. as the apples on this are going to start popping out. I can see the buds starting to pop out right there already. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Oh yeah, hey, John, Letty, if you want some kale, some fresh kale, let me know, because I've got plenty here, and I'm going to be cutting some of that out of here because I don't need that much kale growing this time of year. I usually grow it so I can make that Portuguese stew that I make in the winter time, because it's a nice hearty stew and soup, like a soup. It's actually called a soup. It's caldine, soupish caldine is the Portuguese way of saying it. And that is just so delicious in the winter time. But in the summertime, it's just a little bit too heavy for me, so I don't usually make too much of it in the summertime. All right, everybody. Everything else is doing fine here. Just wanted to get that out to you. This is G Bear signing off.